wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. You already know what time it is. I'm about to tell you about the latest makeup launches that are coming out. Are we gonna check them out? Do you want videos on them? Should I run to go purchase this? If you guys want to know more, let's go. Okay, so new shades lip liner to match with the new Hollywood beauty icon lipsticks from Charlotte Tilbury. Lip Cheat retails for $25 each. I think there are 5 shades and I don't see a brown one, so let's go. Let's scroll. Oh, what is this? Available now. New foundation, Skin Silk Skin Loving Serum. Foundation by Makeup Revolution, soft as silk, light as air, powered by skincare for a healthy glow, plump and hydrate your complexion, lightweight breathable foundation for subtle coverage or build for that second skin effect, light to medium coverage, 20 shades, retails for 14 dual hairs. Y'all know I don't really care for serum foundations, but y'all also know I'll try a foundation if you want me to, so let me know if you want to see a video on that. Okay, Caudalie Vinyl Crush Skin Tint. I thought this was like lip balm. It's actually a skin tint. The Vinyl Crush Tinted Cream ensures an improved and even complexion while emphasizing the natural beauty of the skin. Does it say how many shades? I don't see how many shades or a price. It just says coming soon, but it's available now in Europe. I don't really, know them for complexion products, but usually I'll be willing to try anything once. So let me know if you guys want to know more about that. New Matcha Cleanse Daily Clarifying Gel Cleanser from Tatcha. A fragrance-free, soap-free clarifying gel cleanser that decongest pores and balances oil without stripping to reduce makeup slip-off for prime, shine-free skin. Retails for 40 dual hairs. 1, my oily skin usually likes gel cleansers, and 2, I really like Tatcha skincare products. So would I purchase this? Yes, I would. Okay. Pout Clout Lip Plumping Pen. All-in-one lip plumper, gloss, and balm that drenches lips in a sheer wash of color and shine while plumping the appearance of lips with an invigorating tingle. The juicy, non-sticky formula is infused with maracuja oil for added moisturizing benefits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shades. I don't think I see a price. Oh, $8 each. It threw me off because Nyx commented, like it's the top comment, and it's like, oh, there's always room in the club for I guess like another click pen. I was like, was that a little shade, Nyx, or were you really being inviting to the club? Because y'all know Elf likes to dupe a product, even if it's another drugstore product. So I was like, was that a little shade there? Y'all know I like a lip plumper. I don't know about these shades though. It's only $8, but would I run to go get it? Probably not. In stores, a new scent in time for Valentine's Day. Carioca Crush fragrance of Sol de Janeiro. Be your own summer crush with juicy notes of crisp pear, pink, violet, and white cedarwood. Their scents are very hit or miss to me. Even ones that were a hit before, like I don't know if they changed formulas, were like a miss after. This is definitely one I would have to smell in person, but y'all know I like that little juicy scent. So I would probably go smell this in person at least, but like blind buy, probably not. Okay, so I guess Kim Kardashian has revamped her brand, because what was it before? What was it called? Was it something by Kim Kardashian West? I think she like revamped to change the name because she got divorced. So now it is called SKKN Makeup by Kim Kardashian. Inspired by Kim's iconic smoky eye and nude lip, includes soft matte lip color, retails for $32, 10 full coverage velvety matte lipsticks, and lip liner that retails for $22, 15 longwear matte lip pencils, and a classic matte eyeshadow palette that retails for 50 dual hairs. Now, I already had some people tag me for the lip liners because they're supposed to be like nude lip liners. Miss Kimberly's brand wasn't really for me the first time around. If you guys remember all the controversy that came about with that like contour stick and stuff like that. And I know the appeal to it is supposed to be that it's like very cookie cutter, like just natural, your skin but better, just doing a little bit more. Whereas, you know, Kylie gives you more like color pop, more playful, more, you know, experimental type stuff. Kim is like, listen, I'm grown. Okay, you're gonna get grown makeup over here. So would I rush to go buy that? No. But, you know, I know my job is taking one for the team sometimes, and, you know, I'm already getting tagged asking if I would review the lip liner. So if I gotta take one for the team, I gotta take one for the team. Enough of you would have to let me know that you want a video for me to take one for the team. But would I? No. Oh, speaking on the Kardashian family, this is another one that I got tagged in. And it's funny because I saw a TikTok. Well, okay, so this is the Power Plush Longwear Foundation from Kylie Cosmetics. Instantly blurs skin to leave you with a flawless airbrush finish that stays put for 12 hours in 40 shades with medium buildable coverage. Available January 17th. So I got tagged in this on Trend Mood's page. And then I also saw a TikTok about this where the TikToker was like, so you mean to tell me Kylie Jenner can give us a shade range like this, but brands that have been, and it's like, y'all must have forgot when like Kylie's brand was still like Kylie Cosmetics, everyone was running for the lip kit, stuff like that. Because when she launched those concealers, it was also a extensive shade range, but also like there are lots of brands that do that. Now, brands are not consistent when they do that. They'll give you 40, 50 foundation shades and they come out with bronzers and they're like, here's 3. But yeah, lots of brands do that, especially lots of brands do that now compared to years ago. So, you know, let's not, well, okay. But once you take the shade range away from it, if you remember anything about the complexion products when they had complexion products, it wasn't really giving that. You know, when I did try the concealer, it was giving a color pop. So I know I got tagged in this if I was going to review it. This is another one like her sister. If I gotta take one for the team, I gotta take one for the team. Enough people would have to let me know that they want me to take one for the team. But again, is this something I would go run out to buy? No. Sephora Favorites perfume set comes with 5 sample size fragrances ranging from florals to warm and spicy to earthy and woody. Retails for $82 dual hairs. You can choose your favorite and take the included certificate to any US Sephora store or Sephora.com to redeem for a full size, no extra cost. The perfumes that come in here, I think I see Product Candy. Do they list the ones? Yes. So Product Candy By the Fireplace. Okay. Louis Marie number 13, London Wood, Sage and Sea Salts, and Very Good Girl. For the ones that come in, I mean, if you're just trying to see what you do like, what you don't like, for $82 and then you get a full size for whichever one of the 5 that you like, is this a good bang for your buck? Probably, but knowing that I've smelled most of the perfumes in here, let's just say By the Fireplace is the only one that I own out of these. And for the people that be pushing Jo Malone, you know what? I'm gonna get on y'all another day. But everyone's nose is different. So should you try it out? Yeah. A new foundation from Louis Vuitton Beauty reveals a subtle enhancer for airy comfort, buildable coverage, no transfer, and a long-lasting radiant finish for 24 hours. Comes in 30 shades with cool, neutral, and warm undertones. I don't see a price, and for the brand, you know it's probably going to be up there, but I'm intrigued. Look at it. Look at it. I'm intrigued. I doesn't even say it. Oh, it's available now in Europe. Okay. I need to make its way to America. And yeah, y'all, that is it for this month's Let's Talk New Beauty. Kind of mid. There were some things that I'm like, yeah, I would pick up. Yeah, I definitely want to try that. For the most part, the launches, you know, seem to kind of cool down a little bit. We're getting into the new year. Brands are like, all right, we're gonna start off slow. Then we're gonna pick up like springtime. But yeah, I did see some that I would check out. Let me know down below if there's anything that I mentioned that you want to see a video on, or I didn't mention but you still want to see a video on. Let me know all that down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.